If you're worried about skin laxity on your tummy area after pregnancy, after losing lots of weight, or just generally, then this video is for you. Now, one of my favorite treatments, and I've had this done myself, is Morpheus8. This is a combination of radiofrequency and microneedling, and we use it targeted on the tummy region to help combat that skin laxity. This is an amazing treatment that you can do for the tummy region, and it works on the skin itself, but also the subcutaneous fat just underneath it. So what happens during pregnancy? So when I was pregnant, I had twins, so I formed quite a large belly because I had 2 babies in there. And then when I had the babies, you really hope that the skin just kind of bounces back and tightens up again. And now, whilst, that's not a bad thing that it doesn't, some of us just want to tighten it a little bit more. Like, I quite like the fact that I've got almost a war wound from, creating 2 babies, which is pretty awesome. But at the same time, I didn't quite like the laxity and wanted to improve it slightly. So I used a combination of the radiofrequency and the microneedling in the Morpheus8, targeted the skin layer. So the skin layer, you go in at a certain level of the microneedle, so the certain depth, and then you use a certain amount of energy in the radiofrequency. And these 2 things combined will stimulate lots of collagen, elastin, hyaluronic acid, really improve the extracellular matrix area of your skin and really tighten that skin up, which is amazing. Secondly, you go a little bit deeper, so about 4 to 5 millimeters with the actual microneedles themselves, and you can go at slightly higher energies with the radiofrequency, and you can target the fat layer. And what that will do is it will really tighten and shrink the fat. So you're getting a double whammy. Now, for me personally, I really wanted the tightening of the skin, but also as we get older, we do develop pockets of fat. So even if you're someone that goes to the gym a lot, works out a lot, eats healthy, which I do most of the time, you can still develop pockets of fat. So we targeted the lower part of my belly, just that little fat pocket at the bottom, to help tighten and shrink that. Okay, so the procedure itself is one that's quite straightforward. And essentially what you do is come into clinic and we will assess your tummy area, take some pictures of the region, and then they're all for the sort of consent process. And then what we will do is put lots of numbing cream on. So we have a really strong numbing cream and we put that all over the tummy, and we'll do 2 layers of it, and you'll keep that on for a good 20 to 30 minutes. We also cover it up with some cling film to really help that LMX or the numbing cream really penetrate in and stay locked in for that amount of time. So you can just relax, chill whilst we set the treatment up. We have a new Morpheus8 head for each patient. So this device is what contains the microneedles, and that attaches to the machine itself. And you can see here that needles can go at different depths, and those depths and the Morpheus8 energy or the radiofrequency energy is calibrated to your particular skin type and the things that you need. So the treatment itself is about 10 to 15 minutes. It doesn't take very long. On a scale of 1 to 10 pain-wise, I would give it about 3 out of 10 as my personal experience. And then immediately after, it's quite red. You can have a few bumps on the skin. These can last anywhere between 3 days to 2 weeks. And in some very, very rare occurrences, it can be a little bit longer than that. This is what it should look like straight after. You can see it's a bit bumpy, a bit red. It shouldn't be sort of super itchy, painful or anything like that. It should just feel completely kind of fine. Feels a bit warm in the area, which is normal as well. You need about 3 sessions for this treatment, and they need to be about a month apart. And you see the maximum results 3 months after your last treatment. So the peak amount of results that you see is 3 months after your last treatment, but during that time and before that time, you still see a really wonderful benefit. In terms of aftercare, you're to not touch the area, massage the area, put any makeup on the area, just leave it alone. We want to keep it as clean as possible. And then after 4 hours, you're pretty much safe to put anything on there that you want to. We'll generally give you certain creams to help with the healing process to put on afterwards. We also like to combine this treatment with exosomes, and we've got a whole video on exosomes. And the exosomes will help the healing process. It will also help to optimize your results and make them even better. In terms of your daily activities, we'd say to avoid the gym and alcohol for about 24 hours.